Hey, it's Gabish, and in this video I want to show you why today and probably the next following days or weeks is probably going to be a good moment to buy and accumulate your Bitcoin position. If you don't know where to start, you can always watch my tutorial over here where I explain you step by step on how to create your account to buy your first cryptocurrencies. But in today's video, I just want to show you 3 indicators that it's a good moment to accumulate your Bitcoin position. Let's start with the very first indicator. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, and this is a logarithmic scale, by the way. Here I will put it on 3 days, so every candlestick is 3 days, and let's take the 200-day moving average. Now, if we have a closer look at the 200-day moving average, if we go back to the beginning, we can see that at first there was no 200-day moving average. Why? Well, because you need 200 days to make the average. So if we have a look, we can see that Bitcoin is above this 200-day moving average almost all the time, but as you can see over here, there was a peak, and when it came down there was this long bear market, and there was even a time that Bitcoin went underneath his 200-day moving average. Now, if we go back and we look at the macro scale, what do we see? During that time would be the best opportunity to buy or accumulate your Bitcoin position. Then let's move on. We see that it came back up, it had a peak, and it came back down during the bear market. And what happened next? It went below the 200-day moving average. We can see that it was again a great time to accumulate your Bitcoin position. Okay, let's continue. We see here a little crash of the pandemic that happened all over the world, and we see yet again that Bitcoin went underneath this moving average. If you remember 2 years ago, that would be a great buying position as well, because I think that Bitcoin was around $4,000. That would be a 10x today. So yeah, if we go a bit further and we look at the price today, together with the 200-day moving average, we see that they are touching each other right now. Now, there are 3 possibilities. 1, Bitcoin will continue to go down and it will be yet again another great accumulating moment where you can buy some more Bitcoin. Secondly, it can ride along the 200-day moving average for a while. That's another possibility, but quite unlikely that it will stay on the same line, but it can happen. If that happens, I still think it is a great moment to buy. And the third possibility, we are going to have a bounce on this 200-day moving average, meaning we touch the 200-day moving average and we go back up to a bull run. What you can do today, not financial advice, I mean what I am doing today, I bought Bitcoin and some other altcoins, a little percentage of my bag that I was willing to invest. I'm still keeping a percentage on the side for if the next following weeks or days the price can go even lower. I would continue to buy some more. Do I think that the price is more likely to go up or down? Well, it really depends, and there are a lot of factors. For example, there is this conflict between 2 countries. If there is a war that will start, well, the market will be fearful and the stock market and probably also the crypto market will go down. I quickly want to say a few words. I was editing this video that I shot a few hours ago. In the meanwhile, on the news, they confirmed the escalation of the conflicts between the 2 countries. I just wanted to say that all my thoughts and prayers go to the people that are in the affected area. I really hope that this conflict goes to an end as quickly as possible. Take care, guys. Therefore, there is this possibility that if you buy today, prices can go even lower. That's always the risk. The next indicator is the fear and greed index. So if you're not familiar with this fear and greed index, well, it will indicate when the market sentiment is fearful or when people are greedy. Usually a general way of thinking is that it's better to buy when the market is fearful and to sell when the market is greedy. Meaning, if the market goes down, it will be very fearful. And most of the time it's the best moment to buy. And when the prices are all going up, everyone thinks it's going to the moon, then it's time to take profit. It will show that people are greedy, that the market sentiment is greedy, and so it's the time to take profit. And so we can see that the market has extreme fear, which is good to buy Bitcoin. I mean, moving on to the final indicator, which is not financial advice. Also, it's just an indicator. You have to think that all models are wrong. This can simply give you an idea of where we are in the market, okay? And this is the rainbow chart. Every now and then I'd like to go to the rainbow chart just to have an idea what it's saying. We can clearly see that it's in the green band, that it's still cheap. I mean, we're not even in the middle or at the red higher end. So this was just a third indicator that I wanted to show you. It's a great website just to go check every now and then to see where we are in the market cycle. If you want to buy your very first piece of crypto or another coin, you can watch my tutorial over here where I show you step by step on how to create your account on a crypto exchange platform and how to buy and sell your crypto safely. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and see you next time, guys. Bye.